Hello everyone. So if you want to fix the issue where WhatsApp calls don't appear on your Redmi 13, so first you will open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down to your apps section. Here they are. And in your app section, you're to choose manage apps. Now we need to find our WhatsApp. It will be quite easy. The apps are listed alphabetically. So scroll down to the bottom. And here it is. Choose it. Now open up your app permissions. And here, make sure to allow your microphone, messages, call logs, and contacts. So let's do this. Contacts, press allow, microphone, allow. Now choose camera, allow your camera, allow your calls, call logs, allow it as well, allow your phone. So give all those necessary permissions. And now let's go back to our notifications. Here are notifications and choose to show notifications. This is important. Make sure that all of them are enabled. Now review each step to ensure that you got everything correctly. And after this, your WhatsApp calls should appear without any issues. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.